Hello everyone, this is Arvind from Chartview. Today we are going to discuss regarding the pre-market option technicals for 4th May. So first you will see Nifty. In Nifty, if you will see the straddle has been formed near 17,000 and second straddle is 17,500. If you go in more details, you can see from the uh, NSE websites. If you go to the option chain, then for expiry 5th May or the weekly options, here you have to see the open interest for put and calls, for calls and puts. So you have to add up in Excel sheet these values for the open interest, and you'll find out that the first total has been found near 17,000 with 91 lakh 34,000 open interest, and second straddle is 17,500, third straddle is 17,300. So these are the corresponding main resistance and support value that we are also providing in our website page. You can go for that. These are the secondary values. So the first straddle is here at 17,000, second straddle 17,500 and 17,300. But in reality, actually, what happens, the main game happens between the straddle 1 and straddle 2. If you gradually see or follow these rules of how the market operates, the technicality of option chain, because option chain play a very vital role in intraday session. So here you can see in the trading view, if you are going to uh, mark these levels, so 17,000 resistance is at 17,169 and the support is at 16920. Also, you have to draw the 17,000 strike level itself, because it is a strike where the put and call writing has been happened. And here you can see, if you are there is a tomorrow, if there is a flat opening, what will happen first? If there is a flat opening, here immediately it will get a resistance from 17,500 support level. So it will come to again to this level. But if there is a buying from this level, it may again go to this level. If it is getting a support over here, that it may go here. And after flat opening, suppose it is moving up, then there is a resistance at this level, second resistance, and it may go come to this level also a little bit lower, then it may go up. So in a zigzag manner, it will try to achieve this level, and at maximum it may go up to this level. This is what flat. What will happen if there is a gap up opening? If there is a gap up opening, where the gap up will happen? Definitely it happens near the closing strike upper limit, or the straddle first straddle where it has been formed, that upper limit. Definitely it will happen near here. The first straddle has been found at 1700, so the gap up may happen over here. If it's a gap up opening, it may happen over here also if it is very very positive news. So if it is happening over here and going upward, then it will go to this level. Even there will be some resistance here, it may get a support over here, as this is the level where it can get a support as expected. So if it is getting a support over here, then again it will try to break this level and may go up to this level. Also in maximum, it can go up to also this level. So it is difficult. Before that, there may be a resistance over here. So after gap up, if there is a decreasing in price, then it may try to touch this level, get a support over here, and it may rise here or it may come down here. So these are the probability. So as per the buying, selling, or the writing of the puts call, things will happen. So if there is a gap down opening, where will be the gap down? Normally, if it is a very big gap down, then it may happen, or full gap down, then this may happen this zone, or it may by partial gap down, it may happen here also. If it is a partial gap down, what will happen? It will come to this level. It may get a support over here, or it may try to break and it may come to this level. Uh, and if it is not getting down here, then it may go over here. Suppose after gap down, if it is rising, then it may again go to this level. It may have some resistance over. If it is getting supportable, it will try to break and it may go up to this level also. So this is the way we see the market actually. And if you go to the bank nifty, what will happen there? Now we will discuss. In the bank nifty, you see where the straddle has been formed first. From the option chain, always follow option chain. I am telling one thing, go to always to the Nifty website. You can get this value, option chain value. In the option chain, the first you have to see the straddle formation. That you have to take these values to Excel sheet, just add up the open interest for the particular strikes and see which is having the maximum value at which strike. That gives you the first, second, third category of straddle formation at different strike value. So from our analysis, you can see here that the first straddle has been formed near 36,000. Second is at 37,000 and third is 36,500. Normally, this first, second, third play very vital role in many days. Some days, if there is a naked writing somewhere, then other strikes may take a little role. So always follow this type of analysis that will help you, and you can get the actual reason why price is rising from this level or getting a resistance from some other level, or why there is a selling from that level, or why there is a buying from this level. Because this is the pure technicality. It will remove your mental biasing regarding any other indicator type of things and lagging indicators. So always try to find out the reason why the price is having a reaction from a certain level. That is the basic of option chain analysis, and it will help you to get a real picture of the market in near future. So the straddle has been formed at 36,000 here. Suppose there is a flat opening. If it is getting at S2, then it will try to toss this level. It may come to this level. If it is breaking, then it may go there. Suppose there is a decrease in value after flat opening, definitely it will come to get a support over here, as there is a huge buying from this level, and it may move up again from this level to this level. So this is regarding flat. Suppose there is a gap up opening tomorrow. The gap up normally happens here in this zone at fuel level. Normally it will be a full gap up because it is opening above the high yesterday high. So if it is going up, then it may go to this level and get a resistance, and it may go to this level and again come down to this level. Suppose if it is going downward after opening, then definitely it will try to get a support over here and again move up and to move up to this level also. If there is a put writing over here, and if there is a gap down, what will happen? The gap down will be a partial or full, that depends on the situation, but as per the situation it may be a partial. If it is opening partial gap down, first it will try to touch this level, or at most it will touch here, and if it is coming at getting a support over here, it may again rise. So after gap down, if it is rising, then again it will rise to this level, and there may be resistance and it may come down. There may be a zigzag line. So price will move in this manner for tomorrow as per our analysis. Let's see what is happening tomorrow after opening. The US markets, they are today operating flat, Nasdaq and Dow Jones. So thanks for watching. Thank you once again. Please share and subscribe our video. Have a good night. Thank you.